This is a demo video to show you the audio from the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus Bluetooth microphone. What you're hearing now is the Apple iPhone 7 Plus default video app and built-in microphone. And this is the audio from the SmartMike Plus microphone. And back to the Apple iPhone built-in microphone, which you can tell sounds much worse. And back to the SmartMike Plus microphone. This is recorded through the SMic Plus app, which also has noise reduction and some other cool features that you'll have to read about in the review. Got audio indicators on the front of the app here, which is very nice. And I really like the sound of this microphone. I think I'm really going to enjoy it. It comes with a couple windscreens, a foam one, and a fur dead cat, as it's called. So it's quite the impressive microphone. I'm really looking forward to doing some more videos this summer with this. Check out the full review at thegadgeteer.com.